You want to have an enjoyable day? Always look for the good. You will succeed looking for the good. But let me tell you, if you look for the bad, you will also succeed. Because in everybody, there's the good and the bad. In every situation, there's the good and the bad. There's always the pro and the con. There's always the advantage and the disadvantage. It depends on where you look. So do not always look for the bad. Do not always look for something or someone to complain about. Naranasan ko na po na magbakasyon minsan sa Europa. Sumakay ako sa isang malaking barko, mula Sweden going to Finland. Sumasakay pa lang ako, nadidinig ko na yung bunganga ng isang babaeng may edad, may kasama siyang asawa niyang, kasing edad din niya, pobreng lalaki na kinailangan magkaroon ng asawang ganito. Inireklamo na niya lahat. Yung incline noong daan patungo sa barko, yung taas ng hawakan, yung galaw